Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you guys can see, I was in Dollar Tree. Now I didn't want to be suspicious. I know how you guys be vlogging in these stores, but anyway. So this was the majority of the fall line aisle, I mean. So I was looking for a lot of stuff. Now they had a lot of stuff I wanted, but I just kind of stuck to a few things. I wanted to be very minimalistic. So these are all the stuff I got, like this can that says autumn is calling. I got these clips, I got this mesh, I got these push pins, and then I got these like leaves to put on my door. And then I just got this because I thought it was cute. It's a makeup sponge and it comes with a little like pouch, and then I just got some snacks. But anyway, so I was just trying to figure out how I was going to do my door. I feel like in the past couple of months I've been like wanting to decorate my door here and there. So pretty much I just cut down a strip of the mesh on both sides. Pretty simple and self-explanatory. So as you guys can see, I cut it all the way to the end and kind of just let it hang on the bottom, but I had to just extend it a little bit. Okay, now I'm going ahead and doing the second side of my door. I just left the middle side of the door open because I didn't anticipate that I needed 3 of them, because if I had 3 then I would have just did the whole door, but I kind of just left it in the middle since I already have an A in the middle anyway, so it won't cover the A. Okay, second strip on. So now I am just adding a little more tape so that it could be secure, because and if I can find them on the Dollar Tree website, I'll link everything in the description, because I know I find some certain stuff I bought in Dollar Tree and online and sometimes I don't. So I had the piece around my A, I don't know why, but I did take that down and I ended up putting it on the bottom of my door. Now I'm gonna go ahead with the little like leaf pieces. I already put one up, as you guys can see, on one side. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the other side, and that's the finished product, so you guys can see that. And that was very quick and simple, like I said. Now I'm just doing the bottom. I decided to use the other piece of mesh that I had left to put on the bottom part of my door, like right there, as you guys can see. Kind of like making it come together, almost like attachment. That was really what the goal was. Okay, applying a piece of tape to the other side. Alright, now I'm gonna use these. So after buying it, I didn't realize they were clips, because if I knew the clips I would have bought something else. They did have other like leaf decor, so I just ended up putting them on the side of my glasses, because that was the only area I could put it that it would clip on. lastly, I'm gonna go ahead and do this bucket, and I'm just putting in all like my pens and stuff that I use, just so I don't lose them, because I find that I lose pens, and my other cup is filled. And then I'm also going to put in like all my markers that I use on my whiteboard in there as well. But I think my video is going to abruptly end here, so thanks so much for watching. This was a very short video than I normally would do, but I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.